Hey, New Destiny family and friends. It is your boy, Brother Rob, coming to you with a public service announcement from our very own Dr. Tracey Enlow. In this video, she's going to talk to you about this coronavirus that has spread across our country and our world. I want you to take heed to the information that she's going to share with you, and I want you to share this with all your family and friends. Like this post, share it. Let's get it to go out to everyone that we know so that we can be healthy as a people and as a church. God bless you. And here is Dr. Tracey Enlow.
Hi, my name's Dr. Tracey Enlow, and I'm an anesthesiologist in the great state of New Jersey. As you know, the novel coronavirus has been upending all our lives. With this virus, it's very unpredictable. And with this kind of uncertainty, we have to have the diligence and the belief in God that we will all get through this together. As you know, the CDC has put together some basic tips and guidelines for us to follow in order to help slow down the spread of this virus. The first thing the CDC has put together is a term what we refer to as social distancing. This virus is spread by a person-to-person contact. The best way to avoid getting ill from this virus is totally avoiding it. The CDC has recommended us to stay away from each other, distance ourselves within 6 feet. There are people who are walking around right now unknowingly carrying this virus. This is what we refer to as being asymptomatic. Our young people out there who think this is just another time off, or right now in spring break, this is a serious issue. You could be walking around with this virus, not knowing it, spreading it to others. Let's think of our elderly population, that if they do get infected with this virus, they could be very worse off. So please, everyone, adhere to the restrictions that are placed on us and distance ourselves. Another way we could slow down the spread of this virus is by just simple personal hygiene. Wash your hands thoroughly and diligently for at least 20 seconds. I do it all the time myself. I'm a doctor myself. I tell my kids, before you come into this house, get your shoes off, wash your hands for 20 seconds. Before you eat, wash your hands. These are simple things, guys. Wash your hands after you use the bathroom. Wash your hands after you blow your nose. Wash your hands after you sneeze. Wash your hands after you cough. Wash your hands. It's not a hard thing to do. Maybe for some of us, but it's very important. Also remember, try to avoid touching your face, your nose, your mouth. I know we have to all think about it, but please, if you adhere to that, it would come a long way to help in slowing this virus. One more point about where we could play a part in mitigating the spread of this virus is by just simply staying home. Right now, we have federal, state, and local guidelines that are put in place for just staying put, staying in the home. If you don't have to be out and going about anywhere, just stay home. Right now, we all know the kids are home. They want to hang out with their friends. They want to go to the park. They want to have play dates. Parents, put your foot down. Tell them no. Stay put. Stay home. Lastly, one more point. If you're sick, if you think you may have this virus, if you have a fever, if you have a dry cough, if you have some congestion, difficulty breathing, immediately contact your medical professional. Let them know, follow their advice. Stay home. Don't go around others. Very important right now, we're at this point where they're recommending you to have a face mask on to protect yourself and your family from also being ill. Lastly, guys, all these points put together is very important. We're at this point, we're facing many challenges. Throughout generations, we've all faced challenges. This generation and this time, we're facing this challenge. But I know if we follow these guidelines, come together as a community, as all one family, and make this happen, we could get through this. And today, as a doctor myself, I just want to take the time to say to my healthcare providers, my colleagues, nurses, doctors, Everyone who has to deal with this sudden crisis has been put upon us. Continue to fight. You guys are the front lines. We ask you, family, right now, to continue to pray for us. It's not easy. We have to think about our own safeties and your family safeties. If you follow these guidelines, we could get through this, guys. We can make and overcome and defeat this virus. Right now, I want to just say to you and your family, please be safe. Stay safe. We love you guys. God bless you. God bless our country. And God bless this world.